ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनान GFAक संतोष ट्रॉफी दवरपाक संद दिवन दोनूय संस्थां भितर कांय वायटपण ना हें दाखोवन दिलें.
Again, the IFF sent a letter asking to all the first state affairs, asking their intent to host. So we replied that we had already bidded, and again we enclosed this copies of the letter. And subsequently, after talks, they said, okay, fine. Only the issue was about venues. So finally, we spoke with SAG ED and zeroed in on Bambolim Athletic Stadium and Tilak maidan. So the semi-finals and finals we want to have at Bambolim since it's the center, and hopefully we'll get crowds back.
पयलींपेक्षा आतां संतोष ट्रॉफीक तितलो वालोर ना, पूण ताचें इतिहासीक म्हत्व खूब आसा.
We treat the Santosh Trophy still in the same manner as it was treated before, because actually for us Santosh Trophy is the main tournament for the state team. Because all these other tournaments are club oriented tournaments. This is the only state oriented tournament, so we have to give our best.
ब्रह्मानंद शंकवाळकार, ब्रुनो कुतिनो, फ्रांसिस डिसोजा सारखे दिग्गजांनी ही सर्त गाजयिल्ली.
So Goa hasn't won Santosh Trophy since 2009, I believe.
Yes.
So this should be a good opportunity playing in front of their own fans.
Exactly. So it's now for the home supporters to come out in numbers and support the state team. Hopefully we get a trophy back to Goa.
आतां गोंयान अंदूच्या नवे स्टार जल्माक येतले काय हें संतोष ट्रॉफी पळोवनूच कळटलें. खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.